Hey Shelby, good morning. It's Tony from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. As you can see, before I could get you photos of the black GLE 53, it's sold. So I thought I would do this video on the white one that we have that is very similar, very attractive, white with a night package. I will take you around. This car does have many of the same features that the black one had. So I'll take you around, give you a quick look. As you can see, that night package really adds to the look of the car. Has head-up display, heated and ventilated seats. Does have the multi-contour seats. Heated steering wheel. Does have the new MBUX technology with a terrific voice command system. Yeah, nice big back seat. Plenty of leg room there. Those seats will fold down for you. And that's an adjustable tailgate. And a very nice look. Unfortunately, it's not the black one. I will be checking in with you to see if white works. I hope it does, and we can get you down here for a test drive. Okay, so thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.